So there's one more that I want to do with you. If I'm just kneeling closer to the camera. Do you remember last week that we did this one where you raised your hand here, set your hand out to the side and blocked across? This went out as a kind of push, this up to your ear, and then as a block. If I show you further back, you'll probably remember better. So we started by pushing out, then blocking. Pushing out, then blocking. Push and block. Now remember, the hikate again is extremely important. This action with this hand guides this. This does not have to be across your body like this. This is more like a presentation, okay? So, ready? I'll break it up in two. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je, ich, ni, san, shi, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. From this side, remember this hand gets thrown out first, this hand gets raised. So ich, ni, san, shi. Really emphasize the pull back on the nukete. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. Just a couple more. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, rock, sich, hach, ke, je. Now those two sections put together as one count. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, rock. Okay guys, see how you do with that.